Good morning, one and all. Now, in today's class, we'll be studying about the steps or process of project. Now, in previous class, we had studied about what do you mean by project. Project is a business plan or a business proposal. Okay, like before setting up or starting any kind of a business or industry, okay, a project has to be drafted in the kind of a business plan. Business plan means what proper planning has to be done as to how the industry has to be set up, deciding the area or location. Okay, after deciding the area or location, okay, then how much acres of land has to be purchased, then later on which kind of the building, construction of the building, okay, then raw materials, equipments, labor required for that. So this everything we had studied under the project. Now we will see the detailed steps or process of project. First one is input. Input means whatever material we receive, that is the whatever we receive, that is raw materials, okay, that is the input, okay, and output is what result we give from the input being received. Now we will take example of a product. When a product has to be manufactured, what is the input for that? Input is the raw materials, okay. Then taking help of the raw materials, the work will start, that is the work in progress, and afterwards comes the finished goods or the finished product which is there. So that is called as the input. And output means what result you give from the input being produced. Like suppose for example, we have taken collection of raw materials. We will start manufacturing the product, and the end result or the finished product which we get, that is the final product or the final output. The next one is social cost benefits. Now what do you mean by social cost benefits? Now what is related to the society? Okay, now it doesn't mean that the industry will be related only within the company or organization itself, but what is its contribution or how it is contributed in the society also, like social obligation will be there. That is called as a social cost benefits, means related to the society or social obligation. The next one is location. Now what do you mean by location? Location is the area being selected which is there. Like as I've told you, the manager has to clearly decide that which area has to be selected. He has to choose or select the right area or the right location. Now in case which is there, if he selects a wrong location or wrong area, okay, then it will be very difficult to for the industry or business to become successful. So because of based on that, he need to select the right area or right location. That is called as a location. Location is the area being selected. Now for example, I'll give you that. Now the Xerox centers. Why the Xerox centers are located near the college road? Okay, because students can go nearby. It is located nearby and they can take Xerox of the papers. But suppose imagine that the Xerox centers which were there, it was located far away distant. Okay, that time what happens, it would be very difficult for the students to go to the far away distant and then Xerox. Okay, so they have to decide the which area or location is there. Okay, so based on that they have to select the right area, region or location. Once they will select the right location, then it will be very easy to set up the business or industry. The next one is availability of technological skills. Now what do you mean by technological skills? Nowadays you can see that the technology has become advanced. Due to the advancement in the science and technology, how they can try to develop the technology which is there. Okay, so that is called as a technological skills. Okay, nowadays you can see that some new machines have been coming or new introduction of new machines in the organization. When you can compare the previous era, that time what happened, that much technology was not been developed or it was not been advanced. They were using with the old techniques or old machines which were there. But nowadays you can see that there is advancement or improvement in the technology. So how well they can make use of the skills or technological skills which are there. Means proper skills has to be developed. Okay, now due to the advancement in the science and technology, like suppose think that okay, in the organization some new machine has been brought or new machine has been launched in the organization. So how well they can try to use that particular machine. The next one is counseling services. Now what do you mean by counseling services? Okay, like suppose the manager has to do counseling, okay, counseling about the people, or counseling about the laborers, whether they are doing the work properly, or how properly they will try to render the good services or provide good services to the employees. That is called as a counseling services. The next one is entrepreneurship development. Okay, now how they can develop the skills, talents and abilities of the entrepreneur. Now to become a successful entrepreneur, an entrepreneur he should be confident. What is the main quality required in an entrepreneur life? That is risk taking. He should have risk taking and he should be confident enough in order to bear whatever the risk and challenges have been faced. So like that way they can try to develop the skills of the entrepreneur. So this is all about the steps or process of project. Now just briefly we'll understand. First one is input. Input means whatever you receive. You can receive the information also, or receive whatever the raw materials are there. In case of manufacturing a particular product, what is the main basic requirement of the raw materials? So there should be proper collection of raw materials, and after that only you start manufacturing the product which is there. Then you can get the result, or that is called as output, what result you will give. Okay. Then social cost benefits. Social cost benefits, it is related to the society. Means it need not be only within the organization. Means how well they can contribute to the society, or what social responsibility they can take. The next one is location. Means they should have a proper selection of the area or region or location which is there. Okay, means they should select the right area or right location. Once they will select the right area and right location, that time only it will be okay. Once they will select the right area or right location, that time only the industry will be successful. Okay, but suppose if they fail to select the right area or right location, they will select a wrong region or a wrong location. Okay, that time the industry cannot become successful, and the sales also will go down. Then availability of technological skills. So how well they can develop the technology due to the advancement in the science and technology. Okay. Nowadays you can see that the science and technology has become advanced. Some new machines have been implemented in the organization. So how well they can try to use those machines which are there. Then counseling services. Now how the counseling services will take place. Okay, like here they should render a proper services or provide proper services to the people. Okay, that is called as a counseling services. Then entrepreneurship development. How they can develop the skills, talents and abilities of an entrepreneur. Okay, now already we have seen that entrepreneurs are, whether entrepreneurs are born or made. When the entrepreneurs are born means what, right from the stage of starting they will be having from birth. They will be having those inborn qualities in them. Okay, so these entrepreneurs will be fully advanced or developed. But suppose which entrepreneurs are made, they may not be having those qualities in them. So they should be made. Okay, means develop those qualities in themselves. Okay, so these are the various steps or process of project. Thank you.